An Environment America article, last reported July 8th, 2025, shared the devastating discovery of a dead whale with nearly 50 pounds of plastic waste in its stomach. This waste included things like bags with their brand logos, netting, and other garbage. This whale was unfortunately unable to live to its fullest potential because it was killed in the hands of plastic waste and consumption. This is only one of millions of stories that are out there. Now, a Sigma Earth article, last updated on February 25th, 2025, reported that in the United States, nearly 10 million tons of plastic was sent to the landfills in 2018 and only 2 million tons were recycled. As shown through this significant difference of what was recycled, waste management is crucial to conserve resources. Now, today I'm going to tell you about biodegradable bags and how they can mark a significant shift on the environment. First, I'm going to tell you about a new and improved biodegradable bag packaging. Then I will tell you about the science and innovation behind biodegradable bags. And finally, I will explain the environmental effects of these sustainable products. Let me start by telling you about the new and improved biodegradable chip packaging. So, what if I told you that a company came up with the first ever biodegradable chip bag? Now, let's take a further look at this invention and the motives behind it. A Yahoo News article published May 22nd, 2024, reported that a British company took action after they found out that plastic pollution can triple by 2040 if no changes were made. Additionally, their packaging to their British crisp chips does not degrade into harmful plastics called microplastics, but instead is both biodegradable and recyclable. Overall, their commitment to creating more sustainable products can inspire millions of other companies to take meaningful steps towards doing the same. Now that I told you about the new and improved biodegradable bag packaging, let me inform you about the science and innovation behind these products. Do you ever wonder about the science behind materials that naturally break down over time? Well, let me tell you about what biodegradable bags are made of. In a Reliance Pack article published March 7th, 2025, discloses the materials biodegradable bags are made from, which includes things like starch blends, PBAT, and plant-based polymers. These substances allow biodegradable bags to break down from a few months to a few years, while a typical plastic can take hundreds to thousands of years to decay. Look at that significant difference. Additionally, biodegradable products are also being made from algae and shellfish. Talk about durability. Now, moreover, continued development of biodegradable products can be the new norm for a brighter future. Now that I've told you about the science and innovation behind biodegradable bags, let me tell you about the environmental effects of these products. So, one human at a time, the planet can be changed. A Trash Right article published on May 28th, 2023, states the plentiful effects of encountering renewable resources instead of damaging ones. Now, carbon footprint is a total amount of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases polluted into the air. This is due to human activities, and this is then trapped in the Earth's atmosphere, thus causing the harmful effects of climate change. However, by using biodegradable bags, carbon footprint can be intensely reduced. Now, furthermore, utilizing biodegradable products can help protect wildlife and their natural habitats, as these materials break down into harmless substances like water, biomass, and carbon dioxide. thus minimizing the risk of animals eating plastics. Today, I told you about how biodegradable bags can mark a significant shift on the environment. First, I told you about a new and improved biodegradable chip packaging. Then I told you about the science and innovation behind these plastic alternatives. And finally, I explained to you the environmental impacts of these biodegradable bags and products as whole. If we do not change our habits, the lives and suffering of innocent wildlife will continue to be on us. Now let's end the cycle and begin a journey of sustainable living, a choice that is beneficial for all life on Earth.